LINGYUE Pallets, China largest plastic pallets manufacturer. This is a new design rack suitable for 5 gallons bottled water storage and transfer. Plastic raw material as anti-impact polypropylene or polyethylene. Sizes in 1360 x 1095 x 127 millimeters. One piece of rack have ability to hold 20 bottles water. It is workable on conveyors and auto packing machine. Improve water plant working efficient 25% more than traditional design.